Yeah.
Now we should consider if it is here or it is here or here or here, right?
Yeah.
Now let's consider one distance for this. So, for example, here in this part, if we select one point here, what's the probability that it goes outside?
1/4.
Should I say it again?
Oh, 1/4.
Why?
Because you can go up, right, left, or down.
Yes, right, 1/4. But do you agree also the length of the jump is important?
Oh, yeah.
So, for example, if the distance here is t, so this jump should be what?
Greater than or equal to t.
Greater than or equal to t, then it goes outside? No. Pay attention.
Oh, 6 minus t.
6 minus t, j should be greater than 6 minus t. Can you tell me this length is what? Remember the problem was what? Read the problem again. Okay.
Oh, that distance would be 1.
This distance is 1, right?
Yeah.
This distance is 1. All of them are 1. So j should be greater than equal what? Or strictly greater than what in terms of t to go outside?
1 minus t.
Exactly. So let's consider, for example, x and y to draw the figure. X, for this x, y should be greater than 1 minus x, right?
Yeah.
And also direction, you should multiply it by 1/4, right?
Yeah.
So you should consider something similar to integral, or not integral. Because we have two variables, you should consider area. Okay, want more hint or that's enough?
That's enough.
Okay, sure.
So if the frog is in one of the rectangles, then it would be the area would be 4 times 5, and then 1/4 chance to get out. So that's 10.
If we consider, let's say something. Let me. If you consider only this pink line, so could you reach the answer or not?
No.
Let me say something. Do you agree x can be here from what to what?
Yeah. It can go from 0 to 1.
And y is 1 minus x, so it means that y plus x should be greater than 1, right?
Yeah.
If we consider this one as x, this one as y, y plus x is this part. Agreed?
Yeah. Yeah.
This region. Okay? Oh, no. Greater than 1. So. And we know jump is this, so y is from 0 to 1. So it will be this part, right?
Yeah.
And also it is 1/2 for this line. Also because of the direction, we should multiply by 1/4, right?
Yeah.
So 1/2 times 1/4. By this probability, if it is here, it can go outside. For all pink lines here, we can say same thing, right?
Yeah.
But so if you have a point we should consider all these things. And what about this? Also for here, we can say same thing, right?
Yeah.
But for a point here, what can we say?
So there's a 1/2 chance of choosing the distance.
Yes,
So,
1/2 times 1/4 plus, again, same thing, right?
yeah.
But these are probability of, for example, 1.1 minus x, all these things. Now you should cover all these things, right?
Yeah.
So you should see the answer is what? So try to see by considering these things. Can you find the answer is what? Try first on your own, okay?
Okay. Is the answer B?
Is the answer what? B?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Here, for each line, we prove that it is 1/2 because of the direction. We say 1/4, right?
Yeah.
So look, we have 4 directions, right? South, north, east, west, and probability of each of them is 1/4, right?
Yeah.
And if you calculate by symmetry, you can calculate probability of one of them. For example, if this probability is p, the answer is p because 1/4 times p, all of them would be p, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you calculate one of them, so for example, south. When it is south, it means this one. Or let's calculate, because we've calculated this part, let's consider east. Direction is east. So do you agree for this one? It is one on. At first, we should be in this region, right? So
Yeah.
the probability that we select a point in this region is what?
1/6.
Then we said, okay, when we want to go to right, 1/2 the probability, right? If it's like, because for each line it would be 1/2, so 1/2, 1/2, all of them 1/2, so we can say it's 1/2. Agreed?
Yeah.
Like here, that all of them are p. When you multiply by probability, it is 1/2. Here it is continuous. When you take integral and all of them is 1/2, again the probability will be 1/2. Okay, because you will divide.
Okay.
So 1/12, so all of them is 1/12, and the answer is 1/12. Understood completely?
Yeah.
Okay.